Abhishek Khaitan now joins us to discuss how things have transpired for Radico Khaitan for the quarter gone by. Abhishek, season's greetings and thank you for joining us. Let's first understand the demand and the margin scenario, because those are the two variable factors which in a sense are the differentiating factor. On the demand front, what has happened and how have you absorbed the higher input costs?
Thank you, Nikunj. First of all, as far as the demand goes for our sector, we are very happy that after 2 years, the volumes are back. And as far as Radico is concerned, in this quarter, we had a volume growth of 7%. But most importantly, our prestige and above brands grew by 18%, and the regular range grew by 3%. And in value terms, our prestige and above brands grew by 22%. So the demand is back, and it is higher than the pre-COVID levels. As far as the margin goes, there was a little pressure on the margin in this quarter because the non-IMFL business saw little inflationary trend of the raw material prices. But overall, because of our premium mix, we were able to offset a lot of this pressure.
Abhishek, the volumes are back. Is this largely because of the wealth effect and people are consuming more alcohol, or this is pure market share gain as the economy moves up the value chain?
See, we've grown more than the industry for sure, but even as an industry, the volumes are now coming back quite fiercely, because all the on-trade has opened up. And, people, it's like a revenge kind of thing where people want to go out and celebrate. In fact, this would be one of the first Diwali in last 2 years where people are not talking so much of COVID.
Yes, indeed. For the first time, it feels like a real good Diwali. The vibes are there. The wealth effect is also there. What is the plan in place for your deleveraging? We've been speaking about your deleveraging. You've said that Radico Khaitan in next couple of years wants to become a zero balance sheet company. Are you on course to achieve that?
See, if you see, even in the first half, we have delevered by about 79 crores, and our total debt, including the working capital, is only 119 crores. So kind of virtually we are debt-free, and we would be having one of the lowest interest rates in the industry. Our total interest rate is only about 4.29%.
Good afternoon, Mr. Khaitan. You know what we've also seen in the quarter, very recently, are 2 new launches by Radico Khaitan, including in the brown spirit and I think one in the white. Both considered luxury, and the stock markets had given it a massive thumbs up. Can you give us an idea of the kind of launches that might be in the offing? And, in the spirits game, there is competition which is heating up, particularly in the luxury ones with, new craft versions coming out, distilleries in Goa, etc.
Absolutely. First, let me talk about these 2 new launches. Earlier, we had launched Rampur Single Malt, which has been very well appreciated in the global market. And in fact, the demand is more than what we can supply. Then we launched our Jaisalmer Indian Craft Gin, which is the most expensive gin. It is priced at about 3,700 rupees a bottle, which also we are gaining market share everywhere. And last 2 years, in Radico, we have been working on this luxury side. And for the first time, our whiskey, the Royal Ranthambore, has been a whiskey which is at a Scotch pricing. It is going to retail at about 1,700 rupees a bottle, and first time any company has launched an Indian whiskey at this price. And currently we have launched it in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, and in the current fiscal we are going to take it to 6 more states, and by 22-23 we'll be pan-India. Also, we have launched the most expensive vodka called as Dazzle, which comes in a gold and a silver thing. And it is first time any vodka is 7 times filtered, and it is going to retail at about 1,200 to 1,300 rupees a bottle. So we are quite excited about our new launches, and hopefully the product should do very well.